Headshot, turkey down, baby. Turkey down. I wasn't even set up. I had just gotten to my blind. Unzipping the windows, getting everything ready. I'm setting up the tripod, and I was just filming just to make sure my camera was on. I didn't even have my seat set up, and I start filming myself, and I look up, and there's 4 toms, big toms, at the decoy over there. It took me about 5 minutes to slowly get up on my chair, knock an arrow, pull back. I pulled back once on the big tom, and I should have shot, but the camera wasn't ready. Kicking myself for that, but they saw my movement, so they all kind of walked away. Well, then 2 other smaller ones. I think he's a Jake or a small tom, but yeah, I don't care. Headshot. Tried those new broadheads. Those Magnus Bullhead broadheads, and they dropped him. I don't even know what just happened. Let's go check him out. Turkey down. Turkey down, baby. There's the GoPro, and I shot him right here. Oh no, shot him right there. Ooh, that did some damage. Heck yeah. It's a Jake. It's funny, I had 4 big toms right here, but I had to take what I had to take, so hopefully I got a lot of that on film. That was such a rush. Ooh, that was awesome. Oh, and there's the arrow. Broke that tip off, but 2016 Utah General Season Turkey Archery. Had set up a trail camera about a month ago because my mom drew the limited entry turkey tag here in Utah. Anyways, they seem to use the same roostery every night. The trail camera I'd picked up about 4 toms and a couple jakes coming in almost every day. Usually about 6 o'clock at night they'd come walking down this trail which leads to their roostery. Well, I got here just after work today. I was here 5 minutes maybe, setting up my camera, fumbling with things. I didn't have my chair set up. I had unzipped all the windows in the blind. Well, I didn't have my bow ready, didn't have my chair set up, so it took about 5 minutes. I slowly got up my chair up, sat down, got my bow, then I realized my GoPro wasn't on, so I tried to find the remote, found it, click record. Hopefully it got some good footage. I should have killed one of the big toms. I had a clear shot, but I wanted it on video, and looking back, I should have just shot the big tom. Well, they caught movement through all the crap I was doing, so they ran off, and then 2 of the jakes didn't know what was going on and walked right there, and I shot. Anyways, it was fun. Instant kill. It was awesome. 2016 turkey, general season. Couldn't worked out any better. Opening day.